I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a multiple choice question based on quadratic functions. If 2x minus 5y equals to minus 9, then what is the value of 4x squared minus 20xy plus 25y squared? Four choices are given to us. We can actually factor the expression and then solve such questions. We are given 4x squared minus 20xy plus 25y squared. It is a perfect square since the first term is 2x whole square, the last term is 5y whole square, and the center term is minus 2 times 2x times 5y. Right? So we could always write the given equation as 2x minus 5y whole square. Now we are already given 2x minus 5y is minus 9. So now we can do minus 9 whole square, which is always positive, 81. So the answer is C, positive 81. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.